Hammerhead Compact Self-Leveling Cross-Line Laser. The Hammerhead Compact Cross-Line Laser. Its flip-out tripod legs and one-touch laser button allows you to set up in seconds. Install a chair, rail level photos, or level any home project with the touch of a button. A solid red glow alerts you when you have exceeded the self-leveling range. When finished, a handy carrying case makes storage easy. Hammerhead's compact cross-line laser accuracy in the palm of your hand. iTOOLco's reel jacks. iTOOLco's reel jacks have separate sides, so they can be used safely on uneven ground, even for reels up to 6,000 pounds. With 4 20,000-pound sealed bearings, the closed head captures the axle, which means your reels won't fall out or travel horizontally. Best of all, reel jacks won't tip over, ever. The top-mounted hand crank allows convenient leveling that doesn't interfere with arbor positioning, axle jaw carriage, or spool. The adjustable handle is ergonomically designed for even balance, and a pop pin locks the arbor into place for safer operations. When your wire pull is done, simply fold and go. iTOOLco reel jacks. Faster, safer wire pulls. Milwaukee Hex Impact Driver. The Hex Impact Driver is the most powerful and fastest driving impact driver, featuring ultimate trigger control. This power-state brushless motor delivers unmatched power for a full range of capabilities to complete the widest variety of applications. Increase productivity on the job site with the fastest driving speed of any impact driver without sacrificing power or control. Self-tapping screw mode is designed to reduce walking when starting self-tapping screws, as well as reduce overdriving, breaking, and stripping out screws. Ramset Powder Actuated Tool. Ramset's fully automatic raw 27 powder actuated tool, lowering downtime and fatigue on commercial job sites. The raw 27 stands up to the toughest use for interior and exterior applications. Worx 20-volt portable vacuum. A powerful for its size portable vacuum that you don't have to plug in. It's a clean person's dream. You can take it anywhere, making it the perfect car or office vacuum. And with the crevice nozzle and brush attachments, you can dive in between those couch cushions and clean every last crumb out of your kitchen, too. It provides 10 kilopascal of suction. DWT Pipe Tools. Steel Pipe Alignment Clamps. The steel pipe alignment clamps are made of forged steel and provide sufficient clamping force to fulfill the requirements for all pipe diameters within the from 25 mm to 355 mm. The balls of the thumb screws are made of stainless steel. The clamps can be used for sintering and alignment of steel pipes before pipe welding. To align stainless steel pipes, duplex and other alloyed pipes. Cibo Abrasives Finitube Belt Sander. The Finitube is an innovative and ingeniously designed tool for the easy finishing of tubes and pipes. It's a harmonious marriage between user-friendliness, innovative design, and industrial quality, guaranteeing a quick and perfect finish for any type of tube, cylinder, or pipe construction. AUXPRO Adjustable T-Square. The AUXPRO Adjustable T-Square is an essential tool for marking angles on plasterboard, plywood, paneling, fiber, cement, and other job site materials. Durable, versatile, and dynamic, constructed from tough anodized aluminum, this adjustable T-square is truly built to last. The sliding T-header adjusts from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, giving you the ability to mark more accurate angles, strong screw lock, and collapsible design. Folds down into a slimline position for easy storage and transportation. Abs-end caps for dual ledge stabilization. Provides a hands-free hold for eliminating movement while marking important layouts and measurements. With high visibility printed metric scale and etched angle markings for long-lasting durability. The Ox Pro Adjustable T-Square is a superior choice for plastics and other trade professionals demanding high accuracy and tested durability. Gardner Bender's Heavy-Duty LED Work Light. The Gardner Bender 40-watt multitask LED work. A versatile work light that is a great fit for a variety of applications. The GWL4D has a 10-foot power cable with a 4.5-foot extension cord to provide power to other tools. 3,800 lumens, 40 watts, 6,000 Kelvin color temperature. The adjustable LED swivel hooks up to 90 degrees. The power cable and extension cords go away easily when not in use with the built-in cord. Mount with their adjustable stand or the 4 industrial-grade magnets. The Gardner Bender 40-watt multitask LED workplace features a 1-year warranty. SKF EasyPull bearing pullers. Equipped with spring-operated arms and a solid design, the SKF EasyPull is one of the most user-friendly and safe tools on the market. Ergonomically designed, the spring-operated arms enable the user to position the puller behind the component with just one movement. Self-locking arms help prevent the risk of puller slipping under load. Self-centering capability and no set piece help to avoid damage to the shaft. Bendit 2.0 is a flanging device that consists of a special pneumatic hammer with different attachable folding jaws and flange sheet metal parts on vehicles in a new way. With regard to its innovative relevance, the Bendit system impresses with its simple and quick application. With just a few work steps, the user is able to flange a metal sheet, such as the wheel arch of a vehicle. This can be done in just a few minutes and with little effort. The special impact hammer drives the sheet metal into the fold of the jaw and is automatically advanced by the strokes and vibrations of the hammer. In order to keep working with the Bendit system as simple and practical as possible, different folding jaws with different shapes and diameters are offered depending on the shape and sheet metal conditions on the vehicle. Wheel Trolley Easy Lift. Wheel Trolley Easy Lift has an automatic adjustment of the height in relation to the load and is the most ergonomic wheel trolley to work with. It is an elevated wheel trolley, which, with the help of springs, raises and lowers in relation to load. A brilliant feature when you wish to save yourself for heavy lifting and relieve knees and back. The trolley is intended for 4 wheels and may be used for, amongst others, the mounting and dismounting of wheels at tire racks, and as an ergonomically correct transfer to the tire changing machine. Blackhawk 20-volt auto glass tools by Equalizer. Blackhawk has a heavy-duty, 20-ampere brushless motor to provide ample power for quickly removing the most difficult glass. Its compact and lightweight design allows for maneuvering tight areas and features a bright LED light to provide visibility in dark work areas. Dynamoto Movable Motorcycle Stand. Dynamoto is a revolutionary front and rear wheel stand set, which allows multi-directional movement of your motorcycle, whilst keeping the bike in an upright and stable position. a safe and easy way to move, store, and access your bike. Side-rolling multi-directional wheels provide full 180-degree rotation and precision sideways rolling movement. High-spec, tough, and durable multi-directional wheels designed to roll easily on less than perfect surfaces including rough concrete, asphalt, and tiles. Tire Mount Stacker Manipulator. This stacker is capable of lifting 3,000 pounds tires with a grip force of up to 9,000 pounds. It can handle tires as small as 40 inches in diameter and as large as 80 inches in diameter. With the need to pick the tires from the ground and place them onto the vehicle, an 90-degree pitch was incorporated into the design. This system has 50 inches of gripper travel, and the gripper is configured to open variably and close variably, meaning the operator is in control of the speed. The gripper circuit is equipped with part present sensors. Once stripped, these sensors initiate full pressure. This allows for the most efficient use of the operator's time and the peace of mind that the part is secure. Blackridge Portable Air Sand Blast Gun. This handy air tool features a large 10-liter capacity media hopper, manufactured from sturdy yet lightweight plastic, making it easily portable with the integrated handle. Simply fill the hopper with your choice of blasting media, connect the tool to an airline, and you're ready to blast. For best results, you'll require a compressor capable of producing up to 120 psi of pressure and a decent free airflow delivery. The 4.5 meters feed hose allows a large range of movement before needing to move your hopper, perfect for reducing downtime when working on large or long items. WRD Glass Tools Handling Cup. The vacuum glass suction cup adopts a metal handle to ensure the suction is durable and not easy to deform. This vacuum glass lifter uses a super strong rubber suction cup to prevent tear leakage, and a metal handle is a great choice to make material handling easier and safer. Just press the hand pump a few times until the red line disappears, and the handheld glass suction cup will fully adhere to the surface of the object. Just press the stem for quick release. The OEM Tools Air Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift is a great value, stacked with features typically found on more expensive lifts. The heavy-duty, padded wheel vise, removable loading ramp, and tie-down rings make loading and securing your motorcycle a breeze. It easily lifts motorcycles to nearly 30 inches with a convenient pump pedal. It can also be connected to shop air for even quicker lifting. Built-in casters with adjustable stabilizers let you easily move it to any location in your garage or shop. The Rapid Jack. The Rapid Jack is your best friend when it comes to fixing a flat tire or removing a wheel on your multi-axle trailer or dually truck. Simply place the Rapid Jack under the closest good tire and drive up. Your flat tire is off the ground and ready to be changed in just seconds. Nothing could be easier. It's the fastest jack around. ESCO Bladder Jack. The ESCO Pro Series bladder jacks are a safe and fast solution for any lifting applications in any condition. For added safety, the ESCO bladder jacks also feature a dual safety valve that prevents both overinflation and uncontrolled descent of the jack under load. These ESCO bladder jacks can also be used for repair projects in body shop as additional support on frame machines to lift in small increments as needed, or for lifting heavy items with precision. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. Remove and replace struts safely and easily with this patented strut coil spring compressor tool. Heavy-duty steel construction offers strength and security other strut removal tools only dream of. Weighing in at 30 pounds, this steel powerhouse is big and bomb-proof. In other words, just what you want when handling compressed springs. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.